Dots and Lines is a special project that we've created for nursery age children, where we're exploring the idea of what is a dot and what is a line in music, in dance, in movement and in visual art.
You feel over the 7 weeks there's a kind of real relationship is built up, and from the simple idea of dots and lines there's just so many different ideas, and then the fact that there's kind of shapes and then tunes are written about these shapes, so there's an immediate relation there.
When I look at their faces and I just see how mesmerised they are with the different kinds of music. You know, sometimes it's really fast and animated, sometimes it's very slow and relaxing, and we try and have a good balance.
It's just really special because it's not something that is in the normal day-to-day activities at school. The fact that at a very young age these children are being introduced to music, movement, rhythm, colours. The list is kind of endless, I would say.
All of these core essentials are not necessarily something these children would get out with school or nursery, but given that exposure, it encourages these children to maybe pick up a musical instrument, maybe to sit down and meditate. We've actually discovered there's like 2 of the children in the class that I've got that their mums, when they were little, used to play piano or they used to play an instrument, and we never knew that. And that's how these things are coming out, and you can see that these children have got an interest in other areas, but you don't necessarily know it until they're exposed to it. But when you put them in the huger concept of things, and you can see how this is affecting their social and emotional well-being, it's all that parts, it's tiny little bits of jigsaws. When you put them all together, it helps that child.